In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in GoodDay. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to adjust the look and feel of your GoodDay workspace, so it's more comfortable and visually appealing for you. Let's start from your main GoodDay workspace. Once you're logged in and you're on your My Work board or any main screen, look toward the lower left corner of the interface. Here, you'll see your profile area, usually represented by your avatar or initials. This is where you'll access many of your personal settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that's all about your account and preferences. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Account Settings. This is the central place for updating how GoodDay behaves for you as an individual user. Click on Account Settings to open your personal settings page. It may take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see several categories or tabs organizing different types of options. On this page, find the section or tab called Skin and Layout. This is the area specifically dedicated to the visual appearance of your GoodDay environment. Click on Skin and Layout. Think of this section as your personalization hub, where you can control how everything looks without affecting how your teammates see their own accounts. Now you're ready to customize your theme. Here, you'll typically see different skins or color schemes you can choose from. Take a moment to scroll through the available options. When you select a theme, GoodDay will usually give you a quick preview so you can see how it will look before committing to it. This is a great time to pick something that matches your working style, whether that's a lighter, brighter interface or a darker, more muted one that's easier on the eyes. As you explore, pay attention to how the theme affects key areas like the navigation bar, background colors, and panel contrasts. If you spend long hours in GoodDay, consider choosing a theme that reduces eye strain. Once you find a look you like, confirm or save your selection, depending on the options shown on your screen. After saving, your new theme will apply across your GoodDay workspace. You can always return to the Skin and Layout section later if you want to experiment with different looks or adjust your preferences again. That's all you need to do to change the theme in GoodDay. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along step by step as you update your own workspace.